Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration crackdowns. This is a topic we haven't discussed much these past about 2.5 years, going on 3 years now, because quite honestly, it just wasn't something that was happening. It wasn't considered a priority by Thai immigration. There were special powers granted under the emergency decree for Thai immigration to provide discretionary waivers, discretionary extensions to remain in Thailand because of the extenuating circumstances in the world. And so you just didn't see a lot of these crackdowns. But as I've said in other videos, I think as the emergency decree ends, we go into hopefully a relatively normal period of time, especially compared to the last 2.5 years. I think we're probably going to see a sea change with regard to this overall issue. In any event, I thought of making this article after reading a recent article from the Nation Thailand, that's nationthailand.com. Article is titled, Police Crackdown on Foreign Fugitives Ahead of APEC Summit, quoting directly, 3 Chinese nationals and a Taiwanese man wanted in their home countries have been arrested as part of the latest crackdown the Immigration Bureau disclosed on Thursday at its Muangthong Thani office in Nonthaburi province. So, yeah, a lot going on here, and I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. You can see kind of what they were who they were looking at, who they were going after. And in this case, we're talking about foreign criminals, I suspect, that got kind of picked up in the dragnet that is the app system and the PBIC system for those coming into Thailand. I think they noted one of them was an illegal entrant, didn't have any kind of entry documentation at all. Again, not unlike stuff we were seeing going back 3 years ago. Now, do I think that this is necessarily the precursor to a major overall crackdown on Thai immigration, a la Big Joke going back to like 2018? No, not really. I don't think we're in that arena yet. Most notably, one, immigration has massively streamlined their overall system. They have biometrics now. They have a number of tools that they did not have going back 4 or 5 years ago, that the only real kind of solution to the issue was to have crackdowns. Now they've got a lot more tools, and they forestall a lot more people from coming into Thailand, which now that everything is becoming more digitized, it's no longer as analog, they don't have the same number of folks coming in that have sort of problems in their home country with respect to the relevant authorities. So again, things are a little bit different. However, something to bear in mind, I think we're probably reverting back to the mean, if you will, with regard to the paradigm in Thai immigration. I think Thai immigration is probably going to look at things more like an enforcement function than they have done the past couple of years, while we saw the emergency decree discretion being utilized. And I think that is falling by the wayside. So the thing to take away from this video, yeah, it doesn't look like anything major in terms of crackdowns at the moment, but I do think that this may be a ripple on the water, and there may be further waves coming, if you will.